Hi everyone, welcome to Alex Unboxing channel. Today I want to show you guys my collection of Bobo Bird watches. I just fell in love with these guys. I love their designs and the quality too, and for the price they're amazing. For now I have these 5 watches and it's been around with me like this one has already a year with me. Also this one, these 3 are my new ones, and I think I'm gonna get more. I just love these watches so much. I'm gonna show you a little bit closer. This is one of them, but this is, although I like this one, the only thing that bothers me is this is only a slightly white, and when it's dark, it's in a little. If you're a dark area, it's really difficult to see. But still, I just love this watch. They're all wood. This one is wood, so you can see. Or this is my new watch. It also comes in green. Now this one comes with this alternative replaceable bracelet, green and white, and this is the last one I bought recently. They're really nice. I just love them, and they're pretty good for the price. I mean, these guys can be like $20, $15. It all depends if you buy it in with an offer or not. This one was only $8. Really? And it works perfectly, and I love it. This is wood, this is rubber, and this one is leather. A little closer to the new one. Yeah, they're awesome. You can buy this in AliExpress really cheap. If you buy it on Amazon, it can be like $30, $28. Sometimes they put in special price, but the cheapest way to buy these watches is in AliExpress. The problem is, the shipping and stuff is gonna be like 1 to 2 months depending on where you live. But they're really nice, and I recommend them. Pretty cool. Oh, this one has a chronometer. Watch. Just zoom that in. You can see it. There we go. But it's black and it's very difficult to see sometimes. That's the only downside about this watch, but still really nice watch. I like it. Hopefully they have a new model where this area right here, it's a different color, so you can see what time is it better. Or here on the side, so you can see it better. Remember, sorry about my English, it's not my first language. I need to, practice a little more. Hopefully I'll do more videos so I can practice more. Here, Bobo Bird, handmade 100% natural wood. This one's really cool. I like it a lot. This one doesn't say Bobo Bird anywhere, but it's Bobo Bird. Also this one. When you go to the app or the store, the website, AliExpress, they have a store only for Bobo Bird, so it's gonna be easier for you to see all the cool watches that they have. So go there and see all the watches. They're really cool.